So now we can have a think about creating a couple of simple formulas to help us with distances on lines of longitude and latitude in nautical miles. Okay, so we've just worked out that for distances north or south on a meridian of longitude, so on a great circle, distance is simply 60 times the angle, theta. Okay, so the angle between the two locations on that line of longitude. Just like when we did distances in kilometres, if we start to think about what's happening when we're travelling east or west along a parallel of latitude, it's no longer a great circle, it's a smaller circle. So the way we deal with that is still using that cos alpha, where alpha is the line of latitude. Okay, so d, distance in this situation, a non-great circle, okay, is equal to 60 cos alpha in degrees times by theta, which is the angle between the two places. So let's have a go at doing that with some examples. All right, so worked example 6, find the distance in nautical miles from A, 20 degrees north, 135 degrees east, southwards, to B, 35 degrees south, 135 degrees east. So the bit we have in common is the 135 degrees east, so we're travelling on a line of longitude. So all we need to work out, it's a great circle. We don't even need to draw a picture, although pictures are always great. We can do distance is 60 times theta. Theta is the distance between, the angular distance between the 2 points. So 20 degrees north, 35 degrees south, which is 55 degrees. So 60 times 55 is equal to 3,300 nautical miles. And we use capital letters for nautical miles.